it's the girl Day Simone, also known as Styles by Day and the Real Playgirl. So as you could tell by this title, I'm gonna be doing a hair review for y'all today. The wig that I'll be reviewing today is called Outre Perfect Hairline. This wig right here, and I got it in the color cream soda. Now, as I did my research, I think I'm probably the only person with this hair color for this wig on YouTube right now. So I'm just giving y'all a couple of more options, you know, other than everything that everybody else doing. And I'm also going to be installing a wig on this video as well. Before we get into it, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all thumbs this video up because we trying to grow and we finna get lit over here. So I don't want y'all to miss out on anything. Make sure that you guys follow me on all my social medias. I'm gonna be putting it on the screen and also in the description box below with the link. Let's get straight into this review. If you missed the name of this wig, it's called Outre Perfect Hairline Lace Front Wig. So it's a 13x4 lace wig. So that's how much parting it is, and it comes with a faux scalp. So I don't know if you guys can really tell on the box, but it comes with a faux scalp, so it's probably like this much parting space on the wig for you. I got the color cream soda. Now the other colors that this wig come in is chocolate swirl, red velvet, autumn brown, creamy mocha, golden amber, and Cajun spice. So sound like some cute colors to me. Let's get straight into it. So first off, okay, I'm already getting a lot of shedding. Now, this wig is a synthetic wig. There's nothing wrong with synthetic wigs, but I'm just letting y'all, there's nothing wrong with synthetic, god damn. There's nothing wrong with synthetic wigs. I'm just letting you guys know, you know, before you purchase this wig. But it is a synthetic wig, and I'm already losing a handful of hair. Just shedding. This is how much hair I'm losing. Now it's probably because one, is a synthetic wig and it's processed with this color, so that's probably why I'm losing as much hair compared to everybody else. Now it probably wouldn't be as bad because one is a shorter wig versus compared to a longer wig, so it's probably going to last longer. Yeah, but here's the texture, the color. I got this shorter length because I was really going for a more, what's the word, mature look. So it's real cute. It's a nice length. It's a pretty color. I've worn this color before and I'm pretty satisfied. It comes with baby hairs, and I think it comes pre-plucked already, but you could, you know, do some plucking on your own if you want to, you know. And here is that faux cap that everybody was talking about. Yeah, here's the faux cap that everybody was talking about. Now, when I looked at everybody else's video, the faux part, the faux scalp was like way brighter than this. So it's probably darker because the hair is lighter. Yeah, so that's kind of a surprise to me. But it would make more sense that it's darker because the hair is lighter. Then it comes with an adjustable strap as well. So if you do not want to glue this wig down or whatever, you could just put the adjustable strap on and you'll be straight and ready for the day. I'll be right back. I'm gonna install this hair and I'm gonna come back and tell y'all the rest of my opinions on it. Now that y'all have watched me install this video, I'm back and I'm just here to give y'all my experience on me installing this wig. Me personally, I didn't have no issues installing this wig. Whenever you are a darker complexion and you have platinum hair or a platinum wig, it's going to be more work. I'm just letting you know in advance before you buy some color hair like this. So it probably took me about 16 minutes to put this wig on my head. So, but I'm patient. I didn't have an issue with that. I'm gonna just start off with some cons first. My only con for this hair is that it sheds a lot, but like I said previously before, it's probably because one, is synthetic, and then two, it's probably really processed because this color, obviously. But other than that, it's fine. The pros are that it's big head friendly. So like, you know how some wigs you might have an issue covering up your sideburns and it might be uncomfortable around the back of your ear, but I didn't have those issues when I put this wig on, and as I'm wearing this wig right now, I don't have those issues. It already came with baby hairs and it seemed like it was already pre-plucked. So no, I did not pluck this wig or anything. I just left it how it was, but I did make my own baby hairs to go with however my head is shaped. Moral of the story, you could pretty much part this wig and do whatever you really want to do with this wig. Like, because right now I have a side part, you can do a middle part, you can do this side part, you can do a deep part. It's whatever you want to do because it's a 13x4 parting, so pretty good. Let me turn to the back for y'all real quick so y'all could get a good view of what I'm really working with. This is it. Cute, right? I really recommend this wig because if you know, like, platinum bundles are very expensive, and also it's hard to find some good quality platinum bundles. So this right here is cheap and it's good quality. So that's just a 2-for-1 right there. Personally, me, in my opinion, I only look good with this color hair like if I'm really cute, like full face, dressed up. So right now, I don't think I really feel this hair right now, but I feel like I'm gonna feel it once I get cute or whatever. I feel like Farrah Fawcett, you know, giving very much bad bitch. There's some real playgirl vibes right here. And so yeah, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching this video, because you didn't have to watch this video, but you did anyway. So it was gladly appreciated. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs this video up. Share this video with your homegirl. Share this video with your homeboy. And yeah, make sure that you guys stay fly and stay blessed.